Hello friends, in this video I am going to share the best innovation for creating society betterment in India, and that innovation is low cost sanitary pad making machine. These mini machines can manufacture sanitary pads for less than a third of the cost of commercial pads. The name of man who has invented this machine is Muruganatham. He was born in 1961 and grew up in poverty after his father's death in a road accident. His mother worked as a farm laborer to help in his studies. However, at the age of 14, he dropped out of school. He supplied food to factory workers and took up various jobs as a machine tool operator, yarn selling agent, farm laborer, and welder to support his family. In 1998, he married Shanti. Shortly after, Muruganathan discovered his wife collecting filthy rags and newspaper to use during her menstrual cycle, as sanitary napkins made by multinational corporations were expensive. He decided to make this pad at low cost, so he started designing experimental pads. Initially, he made pads out of cotton, but these were rejected by his wife and sisters. Eventually, they stopped cooperating with him and refused to be the test subjects. He looked for female volunteers who could test his invention, but most were too shy to discuss their menstrual issues with him. He started testing it on himself using a bladder with animal blood, but became the subject of ridicule when the sanitary pad was discovered in his village, as menstruation was a taboo subject in India. It left him ostracized by his community and family. Then he distributed his products free to girls in a local medical college, hoping that they would give him feedback. It took him 2 years to discover that the commercial pads use cellulose fibers derived from pine bark wood pulp. The fibers help the pad absorb while retaining shape. In 2006, he visited IIT Madras to show his idea and receive suggestions. They registered his invention for the National Innovation Foundation's Grassroots Technological Innovation Award. It won the award. He obtained seed funding and funded Jayashree Industries, which now markets these machines to rural women across India. The machine has been praised for its simplicity and cost effectiveness, and his commitment to social aid has earned him several awards. His machines made the pads cost 35 million rupees. He designed a low-cost machine that could be operated with minimal training. Sourced the processed pine wood pulp from a supplier in Mumbai, and the machine could bring, defibrate, and sterilize the pads under ultraviolet light. This machine has been installed in 23 of the 29 states of India in rural areas and currently expanding the production of these machines to 106 nations. Despite offers from several corporates to commercialize his venture, has refused to continue to provide these machines to self-help groups run by women. Muruganatham's invention is widely praised as a key step in changing women's lives in India. Machines create jobs and income for many women, and affordable pads enable many more women to earn their livelihood during menstruation. This innovation is recognized by many sectors, and inspired by this innovation, period, end of sentence, was made on his life. And this documentary won the Academy Award for Best Documentary for the year 2018. Also in 2018, Bollywood movie Padman was made on his invention, Akshay Kumar as him.
Padman.
बहन को कोई ऐसी चीज देता है क्या?
नहीं देता, पर देना चाहिए। राखी बांधी थी ना, तो रक्षा का वचन निभा रहा था।
हम औरतों के लिए बीमारी से मरना शर्म के साथ जीने से बेहतर।
शर्म को पकड़ के बीमारी के नाले में गिर जाओ सब। Not study IIT, but IIT study me, giving me award.